Hello, today we will guide you through how to integrate Jira with Trello. In this walkthrough, we'll connect Jira to a Trello board using a power-up. This is a helpful setup if you want Trello cards and Jira issues to work more closely together, especially when your team uses both tools to manage tasks and projects. The process is simple, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment to get started. Begin by opening your Trello board. Make sure you're on the specific board where you want the Jira integration to be added. Since power-ups are enabled at the board level, it's important to start in the correct place before making any changes. Once the board is open, look to the top right area of the screen and click on Power-ups. This section is where Trello lets you expand your board's functionality with integrations and added features. If you're new to Trello, think of Power-ups as add-ons that connect your board to other apps and services. After that, click Add Power-ups. This opens the Power-up directory where you can browse or search for the integration you want. Searching is usually the quickest option, especially if you already know the name of the tool you're trying to connect. In the search field, type in Jira. As you type, Trello will begin showing relevant results. This makes it easier to narrow down the available power-ups and find the one that matches your workflow. From the search results, click on the option labeled Sync Trello cards to Jira issues with real-time two-way updates automatically. This is the integration you'll want to choose for keeping Trello cards and Jira issues connected. The wording is a useful clue here because it clearly indicates that updates can flow both ways in real time, which is often the main reason teams enable this integration. Finally, click Add. This adds the power-up to your Trello board and starts the setup process for the integration. Depending on your account settings, you may be prompted to complete additional authorization or configuration afterward. So be ready to follow any on-screen prompts to finish connecting Trello and Jira properly. And that's it. You've now started integrating Jira with Trello by adding the appropriate power-up to your board. If you're setting this up for a team, it's a good idea to double-check that you added it to the right board so everyone can benefit from the connection. Thanks for watching, and we hope this made the process clear and easy to follow.